Welcome to Molsheim, France. This is sacred ground, the home of Bugatti.
It is the apex predator of the automotive world. A $4 million sculpture.
Step inside the Atelier. No noisy assembly lines, only silence, focus, and perfection.
To build the new Tourbillon, Bugatti reinvented how cars are made.
There is zero tolerance for error. Precision here is measured in microns.
Generations of craftsmanship are poured into every single vehicle.
It begins with a skeleton stronger than titanium, the carbon fiber monocoque.
And it ends with a machine that is a mechanical, analog masterpiece.
Let the creation begin. The heart of the Tourbillon is monumental. A naturally aspirated V16 engine.
Forged from high-strength alloys, the block is machined for days for perfect geometry.
It is the longest crankshaft in the industry, balanced for 9,000 RPM.
Every oil channel is inspected internally. A blockage here would be catastrophic. Each one is hand-fitted into its cylinder by a master engine builder.
One technician stays with this engine from first bolt to final test.
Every bolt is tightened to a digitally recorded torque for absolute perfection.
The cylinder heads are mated to the block, sealing the combustion chambers.
Miles of complex valve train geometry are installed with surgical precision. Even the application of sealant is guided by robotics to ensure a perfect seal. The timing gears must mesh perfectly to synchronize the 16-cylinder symphony. Where machines finish, the human hand takes over to perfect the details.
The exhaust is a sculpture of Inconel, designed to manage intense heat.
While the engine is born, the body begins in the carbon clean room. Layers are hand-laid. Alignment must be perfect across every complex curve.
Bugatti uses a proprietary weave, lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel.
It is vacuum sealed to remove microscopic air bubbles that could cause weakness.
In the paint booth, robots apply base coats with mathematically perfect consistency.
Layer after layer of vibrant color is built up.
Inspection is rigorous. A single misaligned thread, and the part is scrapped.
Once cured, parts are trimmed with ultrasonic cutters for a razor-sharp edge.
But between every coat, human hands wet sand the surface for depth.
The final clear coat is applied, sealing in the color.
Then begins the polishing marathon. Hundreds of hours for a mirror finish.
The fuselage is ready.
It's time to bring the pieces together.
The paint is so deep, it feels like you could dive into it. Entering the interior studio is like entering a high-fashion house in Paris.
Only the flawless hides from free-grazing alpine cattle are selected.
The artisan searches for imperfections invisible to the untrained eye.
Precision cutting ensures maximum usage of the precious material.
For complex curves, the famous saddle stitch is done entirely by hand.
The legendary branding is permanently embossed into the seats.
The leather is stretched and molded over components like a second skin.
The dashboard is a tribute to Swiss watchmaking, titanium and sapphire.
It is installed with the delicacy of placing a heart into a body.
The steering wheel takes dozens of hours to wrap perfectly.
Every piece of metal inside is solid aluminum or titanium, no plastic.
The result is an environment blending timeless luxury with extreme purpose.
The interior comes together. A cocoon of luxury for 250 miles per hour.
Now, the most critical moment in the Atelier, the marriage.
The massive V16 powertrain is lifted and mated to the carbon chassis.
16 bolts secure the engine, turning the powertrain into a structural part.
Miles of wiring, the car's nervous system, are connected. Stopping power comes from massive carbon ceramic brakes.
The custom tires are capable of withstanding extreme speeds.
Every critical bolt is marked to verify it has been torqued to spec.
Wheels are secured with a single, central locking nut from Le Mans.
For the first time, the Tourbillon stands on its own four wheels.
The face of the Bugatti is fitted. The identity is complete.
Inspectors scrutinize every millimeter. Even invisible flaws send it back.
Its electronic brain is awakened and tested one final time.
The moment of truth. The first ignition.
$4 million of art and engineering, ready for its owner.
16 cylinders roar to life. The sound of ultimate power.
Built by hand in France. This is the Bugatti Tourbillon.